one. The sound that we're going to do now is another bouncy sound, and it's ah, 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 ah. Your turn. Well done. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Excellent. We'll have a look at our pictures today. This is an ah, 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 otter. Can you say that? Excellent. Ah, 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 ostrich. Well done. Ah, 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 octopus. And ah, 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 orange. Well done. Now this orange is going to help us to write our sounds today. So you can watch while I draw the orange on the board. And we're going to say, ah, 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 orange. Now it doesn't look very much like an orange at the moment. So we're going to put an orange inside and add the little stalk. There we go, our orange. So we're going to say, ah, 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 orange. Excellent. Join in again. Ah, 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 orange. Now I'm going to write the sound and we're going to say, ah, 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 ah. Can you do that? Ah, 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 ah. Excellent. Now we'll have a look at our picture card. Here it is. Here's the orange. Can we see? Put it there. They are the same. Orange. We turn it over. We have the sound ah. Orange. Ah. Now, this is the time where we're going to play our game where I try to trick you. This is the orange and this is the sound ah. Which one is it going to be today? Hide it. Ah, well done. Orange. Orange. Excellent. Now then, before we do any more writing, we need to see if we remembered all of the other sounds that we've been learning. So I have added the ah to our pile. Now, what does it need to do? Yes, it needs to go into the middle. We'll hide it, okay? And we'll go through all of these sounds. Remember, these are our speed sounds, so we need to go quite quick. But when we get to the ah, point, okay? Ready? D. E. Did you point? Well done. Ah. G. A. P. S. T. Right, I think we can go a bit faster. So you're ready. Don't forget to point when you see that. Ah. Well done. G. A. P. S. T. And back to the beginning. Excellent. Now, when we do our writing, we always need to say the little phrase that helps us to go the right way. This time, we need to say all around the orange. That's nice and easy, isn't it? So we start at the top and we say all around the orange. So, fingers ready to do some air writing. Okay, let's hear it. All around the orange. Again, we'll do it together. All around the orange. Excellent. One more time. All around the orange. Well done. Now, as you're writing at home, I'm going to practice writing some of these sounds on my board. Okay? And I need to hear you saying all around the orange. All around the orange. All around the orange. all around the orange. Do yours look just like mine? Yeah? Excellent. If they don't, or if you found it a little bit tricky, that's fine, because you can pause the video or you can practice when we're finished. Okay? Now we need to do our speed writing. We've done our speed sounds. Now we need to do our speed writing. That means we need to practice the sounds that we've already learned. So, pens ready? Which sound will we do first? We're going to do P. Need to hear you saying it. Down the pirate, back up, round his face. Down Maisie and over the mountains. And G. Round the girl's head and down her curl. Do yours look just like mine? Well done. Okay, Fred's coming now with some sounds. Now, the O sound is going to come at the beginning of some words, and the O sound is going to come in the middle of some of these words today. Okay, so you listen very carefully. Okay, O, N, on. So that word just had two sounds. Let's do it again. O, N, on. Excellent. This one's in the middle. Okay, get ready. N, O, T. Not. Well done. Now you tell me where the O sound comes this time. Okay. G, O, T. Did you hear that? Where did the O sound come? Let's do it again. G, O, T. Got. And the O sound was in the middle again. Well done, everybody. That's it for now. Bye.